Isang tinig, isang awit, ilakas po natin ang ating mga sinasabi to na nababasa natin dito. Let's sing!
When you came and opened me, and now there is so much more I see, and so far the way I thank you. And times I'm a miracle, when you close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart.
Bakit hindi niyo pagpindan yung katabi ninyo? Yes, action!
Keep smiling, keep shining.
Why don't we shake the hands of one another?
And always
Shake the hands of one another. Ingat po tayo!
for sure.
Maaring yan na ang huli nating halitan. Sa magsaysay, hindi pwede. Dito lang. Tingnan niyo po ang mga pangalan, ang mga Facebook.
Keep shining, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me.
And you count on me!
For sure,
For sure!
that's what friends are for. For good times,
Ikot-ikot po tayo.
bad times, and beyond.
Talungin po natin ang mga pangalan. Okay? This is Magsaysay Spirit 71! Woo! Love you all! Yung po nasa likod, pumunta sa harapan. Yung nasa harapan, huwag na kayo pumunta sa likuran.
For sure, that's what friends are for. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Parin Dodi, punta ka sa harapan. Jose, Omar, dito. Makihalubilo po tayo. Okay? Bago po tayo umalis, magpadaon po tayo ng pag-ibig to one another. We cannot be good towards others kung tayo po mismo we are missing on those days. Amen?
In my shadow, to never have sunlight on you, on your face. We should change to our white shirt. Lilipat po tayo sa amphitheater, sa Petron Amphitheater for our class picture. And please pick up one balloon each. Pick up one balloon each with a white, when we dress up to our white shirt. You are all strength. Beautiful face without a name. So long. Beautiful smile to hide the pain. Do you ever know that you're
Yes, magpapalit tayo ng mga ating mga kasuotan, di ba? But then, huwag po natin kalilimutan, ho? Yung mga telephone numbers natin, yung mga ating mga emails, okay? Para po ang communication ay dire-diretso po. Hello? Beth? 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 Diba? Montanilla? Excuse me po, mga kapatid. Thank you. Mukhang nag-workout po yung ating prayer.